Hey guys, just want to make this quick short video. I've already went through this process once and got paid out. So um, let's go ahead and log in. All right, now that I've logged in, this is my first earnings here, and I had those withdrawn already, so I've got those back in my account. So now we're going to go in here and do this again. So let me show you my withdrawals here. See if it shows a history other than just the dashboard. Probably that's just the dashboard. It's the only history. So we're about to do it again. Let me get my funds ready real quick, and then I'll come right back. All right. So now I got this right here. This is the actual amount. I forgot when you enter your amount in. If I was going to do, if you do 1,000. And I did $1,020. You're not supposed to put a decimal point, and because it makes it look like it's $102,000. So you would just simply would put just 1020 if you were just doing $1,020. So all right, so we just made that a deposit is pending right now, and once the funds are in my account, I will come in here and hit trade, and I would pick. I'm going to pick the silver plan this go around. And so I will make roughly about 3% daily for 15 days. That's the duration of it. So um, I think with everything said and done, it's going to be about, with the transfer fees, about $104. So multiply that by 0.03. It's $30 a day for 15 days. It's about $451 profit on that. So then I'll, of course, get back my earnings. It's about 14.55. All right. So once my funds become available, see here right now, up under dashboard, that's not a total pending deposit, but once it becomes available, that was from the error I made because I keyed in a decimal point, so I shouldn't have done that. That was my mistake. All right, as soon as it gets into the account, I will take and come right back. Thanks. Hold tight. Okay, guys, let's log in. Let's verify that the funds are there. And all right, the funds are here, $1,020. So let's go and let's trade that. I'm going to trade Bitcoin. Do the silver plan. $1,020. Make sure we don't put the decimal in there. Just 1,020. Invest. We're trading the silver plan. Earnings as of right this second, 0. The trade is active. Alright, it is pending right this second. It's got 15 days. Alright, so let's see here. So $1,020 times 0.03. It's going to yield $30.60 per day for 15 days right there. So bring that back up times 15 days. It's going to be $459 plus the original. Alright. And what I'll do each day, I'll come in and make a quick short 1 minute, 2 minute video to show you the daily earnings or current earnings right there. Okay. All right. If you have any questions and you want to, join after you watch this video a couple times, after you watch 2 or 3 days worth of the videos to show that we are earning, you can simply click in the description box below this video, and you'll see a direct link to our website and gives you a quick short video presentation over the company, and or you can reach out to me. Make it a great day. Thanks.